looking at physics, and let's look at this JAMB question 1984. Says a body of mass 5 kg initially at rest is acted upon by two mutually perpendicular forces, 12 Newton and 5 Newton, as shown in the figure below. If the particle moves in the direction of cure A, yes, then calculate the magnitude of the acceleration. Now this topic is from vector. One of the things that will help you to answer questions correctly in the exam is for you to know where the particular question from which topic the particular question you are trying to answer is coming from. Now this question is from vector, scalar and vector quantities. Now we have many ways of adding vectors. We have when there are two forces parallel to each other facing the opposite direction are applied to the particular body, or when they are facing in the same direction, or when the forces or vectors are acting in an acute or obtuse angles, or when the two vectors are perpendicular. So this case now is when the two vectors are perpendicular. And when they are perpendicular, now for you to analyze this question, you need to calculate the resultant force now. So when they are acting perpendicular like this shown in the diagram, you complete it with a dotted line, and this is your resultant force from parallelogram law of forces that says that the resultant force is the diagonal drawn from the point of intersection of the two forces of vectors. So you have 12 Newton here, 12 Newton here, sorry, 5 Newton here. Now opposite sides are equal. Here is 12 and here is 12. Here is 5 and here is 5 Newton. And here is a what? Angle. So you are looking for the resultant force. And the resultant force will be seen using Pythagoras theorem. So R is equals to A square plus B square. Pythagoras theorem. So R square is equals to A square is 12 square plus 5 square. R square is equals to 144 plus 25. And R square is equals to what? 169. When you add two of them together, you have 169. R is equals to square root of 169. And R is equals to what? Almost 13. 13. Are you there? 13 Newton. Now, the question didn't ask you to calculate the resultant force. It asked you to calculate the magnitude of the what? Acceleration. So you are using the formula that says that F is equals to mass times what? Acceleration. Again, that the mass of the object is what? 5 kg. We are getting the force as what? 13. So you have that your force is 13, your mass is 5 times A. So divide both sides by 5, and A is equals to 13 divided by 5. We have 2.6 meter per second square, and that is the magnitude of the acceleration. So today we are still looking at scalar and vector quantities, then under physics. So we want to look at this question, calculate the resultant force around OA. Along OY, along OY, equal 2002. So now, you know that this is an obtuse angle because it's greater than what? 90. So how do you do it? You resolve it. So you have something like this and something like this. So now here is what? 120, here is 100, and here is what? 80. Here will also be 100, and here will also be what? 80. One of the properties of parallelogram tells you that opposite angles are what? Equal. Here is 120, here will also be 120, and here is, you can call here x, and here is what? X. So for you now to get the value of x, you have x plus 120 plus 120 is equals to 360. You have sum of angles in a parallelogram. So now we have x plus x, 2x plus 240 is equals to 360. I have 2x equals 360 minus 240, and 2x is equals to what? 120. Divide both sides by 2, x is equals to 60 degrees. So here is what? 60, and here is what? 60. So following the law of parallelogram, your resultant force is the diagonal drawn from the point of what? Intersection. So you're having something like this. So here is 100 Newton, here is 80 Newton, here is your theta, here is angle 60. So now for you now to get your resultant force R, you are using cosine rule. Are you there? For you to get your angle, your resultant force, you are using cosine rule. And cosine rule says that R square is equals to 100 square plus 80 square minus 2 times 100 times 80 plus what? 60. So R square is equals to 100 square is 10,000 plus 6400 minus 2 times 8 is 16. So you have 16,000 plus 60 with your calculator. You give you 0.5. When you take cos 60 from trigonometry, special angles is 1 over what? 2. So you have R square is equals to 16,400 minus 2 divided is 8,000. So you have 8,000. You have that R square is equals to minus 16,400 minus 8,000. You have 8,400. So R now is equals to square root of 8,400 and R is equals to square root of 8,400. 91.65. So resultant force is 91.65 or 92 newtons approximately. So the answer to the question is 92 newtons, and that is the value for your resultant force. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to follow for more physics tips. Thank you very much for